If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose. Well, this is one of those wind generators from Amazon. It's the one I've been using. I got it up to 13 volts, but everybody seems to say that these are they're not any good. So it's heavy enough. It weighs about 11, 12 pounds. So I thought, well, let's just take it apart and see what they got inside here. What do you think of that? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to undo all these Allen bolts. And we're going to, because I have an inquiring mind, don't you know? Let's see what these look like. I'm just loosening them now. That one's pretty loose already. What are we at in the world? Oh yeah. Israel assassinated the top Hamas negotiator and a bunch of other people. They're just cruising for a bruising, really. So everybody's expecting Iran to, wow, this one's loose too. Alright, I cut off an Allen wrench, so now I can use my cordless to make this go faster. Well, that's kind of interesting. That one's bent. There's a socket that fits the nut. Will it fit the hole? Or do I have to make it skinny? Son of a bitch. Well, let's see if we can straighten this. Oh, it's spinning. I may be sorry I started this. I wonder how they got bent. Yeah, so everybody's waiting for Iran to retaliate, and then Israel wants to do a preemptive attack. They're just crazy, man. They're mad dogs. What else is going on? Oh yeah, Kamala is running for president. Trump got shot in the ear. Missed his head by just a fraction of an inch. There's two. I need a socket on that one. It's kind of a bad design. I don't like that. They should have made these nuts captive or something, but it is what it is. So I may have to make this into a skinny socket. Shouldn't take that much off of it. How deep does it have to be? Maybe I'll do that. You guys hang on, or wait. I guess you can watch while I do this. I always take my watch off when I'm doing grinding or welding. I think that's good. Not much room in there. I don't want to do too much. Well, I got them all out. Wait, this last one here, but all I gotta do is push it out. Finally made my skinny socket skinny enough. I think I lost a nut because it got buried inside there. I must have didn't realize it was inside. I went to grind it again. It can't be too hard to find nuts that fit this thing, huh? Anyway, now that we're there, I think the next step is to take out this snap ring here and then with any luck, well actually no, this thing should come apart even without the snap ring. Let's set it on end. By the way, this is the mounting. I think it's a 1.5 inch pipe, maybe 2 inch, but I just glued it in here with that 653, and then it goes, maybe that's 1.5 and this is 2 inch, so that's a nice way to mount these. But now we need to take it apart. Probably some weather stripping in here, but I'm really curious what's inside here. I've got an inquiring mind. I should mark where just in case. I'll get it back together again. Something's in there. I'm going to get another generator anyway, so I don't really care too much if I break this one. But I'd rather not. I'd rather just somehow get it apart. It's coming. I'm really curious. Aren't you guys curious? What's inside here? What kind of magnets they got? How many poles? They say this is 24 volts. If I put this together, I will just silicone this. Looks like an O-ring. Come on. Ooh, there we go. Look at that. That doesn't look too bad. How many poles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. If this is number 1, they're not that big. I wonder how strong they are. I don't feel very strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 poles. This doesn't look too hefty. These coils aren't too, they don't look too beefy. So I'm going to guess that this probably wasn't going to put out that much power. But anyway, there you go, guys. That's what it looks like. And I don't know, 100 watts, 50 watts. Alright, so that's it. Just an O-ring here. But so now you know. Now you can compare this with you know, some of the other ones by Hurricane or Missouri Wind. How deep is that? Maybe an inch? I'm gonna guess an inch. Here, let me put a tape up against it and you guys can figure it out. Maybe show the pictures to the guys at Missouri Wind and see how really, you're not going to go in there? Oh, that is, yeah, about an inch. 3/4. Nope, an inch. Yeah, a little bit less than an inch. So what is that? 13/16? And they are about an inch wide, these magnets. Less than an inch. But I don't know how strong these fuckers are. I wonder if I can take the dead blow. See if I can drive that shaft out. Is that a press fit? It's a press fit. On this bearing? No, it can't be a press fit. Yeah, maybe it is. I might have beat it out too far. Get it back where it was. Anyway, there you go, guys. Like I said, I was getting 13 volts out of it when it was spinning pretty fast. Alright, that's it. Onward and upward. One thing I don't really like about it is there's no bearing on this side. You might have two bearings in here. I mean, from here, maybe another two bearings. That's what I'm thinking. Be nice if there was a bearing on the bottom though, huh? On the other side. Yeah, I don't know what this thing would put out. These don't look very beefy, these coils. The magnets are tiny. Alright, guys. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.